Hello, everyone. It's the Missus here. Welcome to Wild Rose Haven Homesteading. And today I have Ziggy, our little Chiweenie, who has suffered from, or I'm saying has, I'm crossing fingers that we've actually been able to recover her from her nail trimming traumas that she came along with when she first was rescued by us many years ago. I'm talking like over 5 years ago, not exactly the exact number or date, but I know it's been a bit over that. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see if I can get all of her nails trimmed on my own without any assistance from Mr. Rose. So watch this video to the end and see if I'm able to accomplish a miracle. Wild Rose Haven Homesteading. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now because this is the longest I've been able to hold her by myself with nail grinders in my hand attempting to trim her nails. And this is amazing that she's able to sit here as long as she has and not start panicking at all. So hopefully we can get this done by ourselves.
I'm getting away from now people seeing each other as human beings and not just classifying
Look what we did. Oh, look what we did all by ourselves. See, guys? Oh, you're all scared.
It's like live on the spectrum. All right, a quick rapid.
Sorry guys about this awkward angle, but as you can see, I'm trying to do her back nail. This is the last one and we're going to be almost done getting all of her nails trimmed. And what I was really excited about is that she was still feeling comfortable enough to want to still give me some kisses during this process. And one of her back nails are kind of tender, and she was really just comfortable with me working with her on our own at this point. So far so good, and I am almost done. One more back one. One more. We can do it. Ziggy, we can do it. We can do it, Ziggy bug. Let me hear the clap. And the other real amazing thing about what I'm doing here is that she is allowing me to use the regular nail clipper to work on her back paws all by myself. This is amazing. Okay, okay. We did all your paws. We did it. We did it, big bugs. We clipped all your paws. We did it in one sitting, all by ourselves. We did it all by ourselves. What a good girl. Oh, good girl, good girl. I know, I was scared. Oh no. Let's just sit here for a sec. That's enough. I know. You did so good. You did so good. Yes, you did. We did it, Zig Bugs. Oh, yeah, we did so good. Yes, we did. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, good girl. You did so good. You're so brave. You were so scared. I know. You did so good. Yeah. And you guys are sitting here going, I think the video's done now. I mean, do we need to sit here and watch you kiss your dog or watch your dog keep trying to kiss you and definitely not on the mouth, but kiss you? And you're like, I thought it's done. You accomplished it. You cut her nails. I know. So what? Well, what I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to make sure that she gets really comfortable afterwards. I am reassuring her by just holding onto her, cuddling her, and not really allowing her to want to just jump down right after we're done cutting her nails, hoping that this is going to be preventative medicine for the next time I attempt to cut her nails on my own, and also to hopefully complete her healing process from her nail cutting traumatization. You know what I'm saying. So this is the reason why I'm just giving this little extra moment right now for the very first time when we did this on our own to reassure us for the next attempt of doing this again where it's not going to be as big of a deal, and then she can just jump down when she's ready and it's all good. So that's why. So I know they got so long. They got so long because you wouldn't let anybody cut them. Especially me all by myself. But we did it. Finally. It's been how many years since you came here, huh? You come home here. How many years? Over 5. 6 years? That's over 5. Yeah. Well, maybe it's 5 years. 5 years. Good girl. Okay. Alright. Ready to get going? Go on. You did it.
Welcome back to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing